BJP leader has been shot dead in broad daylight in Madhya Pradesh's Katni district. This is the BJP leader Neelu Rajak, who was shot dead in the broad daylight in Madhya Pradesh's Katni district. The murder was carried out by two masked assailants on a bike, and the visuals that we have access for you are on the screen. This is the CCTV footage from the area near the Bank of Baroda in Kaimur town around 11 a.m. when two people who came on a bike shot dead this BJP leader in broad daylight. Raises multiple questions on the law and order situation in the state as well as in the area. These are the visuals on your screens. You can see two people riding a bike, and then just a short while after this video was captured, this BJP leader Neelu Rajak was shot dead by these two assailants. The cops, we are yet to know have they apprehended them or not, but this is the CCTV footage of the attack that has gone viral and triggering widespread outrage and protests across the district. Several people are demanding justice for the BJP leader who was shot dead. Remember, it is a BJP government in the state, and several questions are being raised. Was it a targeted killing or not? Or was he just killed in some domestic dispute? But the reason behind this shooting is not yet known. The cops are probing, and the CCTV footage is being the key evidence in this whole area and the crime scene. Eyewitnesses reported multiple gunshots and chaos. And we also have some reactions coming in from the cops. Let's listen in.
मांग करी गई थी कि इसमें जो भी लोग संलिप्त हों, जिन लोगों ने संरक्षण दिया है, उनके खिलाफ भी कार्रवाई की जाए। हम पहले से ये कहते आ रहे हैं और अभी भी ये कह रहे हैं कि जो भी लोग संलिप्त होंगे, जो संरक्षण दे रहे होंगे, उनके खिलाफ में कठोर से कठोर कार्रवाई करी जाएगी। इसमें जैसा कि बताया गया कि कुछ लापरवाहियां रही हैं टीआई के द्वारा, उसको देखते हुए टीआई को अभी फिलहाल सस्पेंड करके लाइन अटैच किया गया है, और इसमें अन्य जो भी लोगों की संलिप्तता है उसके ऊपर कार्रवाई की जाएगी। जहां तक बात है उनकी गिरफ्तारी की, हमारे प्रयास जारी हैं, लगातार जल्दी गिरफ्तारी करके कठोरतम कार्रवाई उनको की जाएगी।
इन आरोपियों के नाम क्या है?
अभी फिलहाल जो प्राथमिक जांच में सामने आया है उसमें अकरम नाम आया है और एक प्रिंस नाम आया है। दोनों की तलाश लगातार की जा रही है, जल्द से गिरफ्तारी की जाएगी।
ये डीएवी स्कूल के गेट पे जब नीलू रजाक वहाँ पहुँचा तो एक मुस्लिम लड़का था, उसका नाम संभवतः अकरम बताया जाता है। उससे जो विवाद हुआ छेड़खानी को लेकर, तो उसने वहीं पे गेट के सामने स्कूल की तरफ यहीं पर बम पटक देंगे तेरे ऊपर। तो वहाँ कहासुनी बढ़ गई, उनका विवाद बढ़ गया। थाने पहुँचे तो थाने में भी उल्टा नीलू रजक के ऊपर ही कार्रवाई हुई, जो कि उस बिटिया के कारण वहाँ पे गया हुआ था। बाद में थाने में ही उस मुस्लिम लड़के ने नीलू रजक को बोला कि तेरे को बीच चौराहे पे गोली मारेंगे, और आज डेढ़ महीने के अंदर बीच चौराहे पे नीलू रजक को सिर्फ इसलिए गोली मार दी गई क्योंकि लव जिहाद के विरोध में उस लड़की की इज्जत आपको बचाने के लिए वहाँ पे गया।
And my colleague Anurag Dwari is also joining me on the phone line with more details. Anurag, do tell us about this BJP leader. Why was he targeted?
A local BJP leader. He was also associated with the Bajrang Dal in the past, and he was headed to the market on his motorcycle, and he was shot dead by two men identified as Prince Joseph and Akram Khan. And when his 56-year-old father, Prince Joseph's 56-year-old father, also died by suicide hours later after hearing reports on his son's alleged involvement in the murder. Basically, Rajak had previously, had an altercation with the accused Akram Khan. Some people are saying over parking issue at the DAV school there, and the local MLA, a former minister, Sanjay Pathak has said that it was over a girl, and she complained to Nilesh Rajak about harassment by Akram Khan, and when he intervened, then Akram Khan threatened him, and just in after a month he shot him in broad daylight in Katni. The town is tense. The schools are closed in Kaimur for tomorrow, and there's a heavy police deployment there. Both the accused are on the run.
Right, thank you so much, Anurag, for giving us those details. So, over a parking dispute, this crime took place. The schools are closed. You can imagine the law and order situation in the area and the chaos that erupted after this murder that was done in broad daylight. Thank you so much, Anurag, with those details.